Hey Wonderfuls! I missed you guys. I've been a little bit absent lately, but life has been busy and awesome. We'll have to catch up in a live stream pretty soon. I picked a couple winners for the contest giveaway weeks ago, and I've got a few other inexpensive and DIY gift ideas for the Vanlifers in your life. Usually there isn't a lot of space in vans or campers or trailers, so anything that stores flat or doesn't take up much room is nice, and dual purpose items are awesome too. The first thing is a few mouse-proof, splash-proof containers for food or goodies, whatever you want. I just grabbed some Christmas tins from the dollar store, spray painted them, and then added some labels. It could be for anything, or you could send blank labels or loose labels so that the gift receiver can put them on whatever tins they decide. You can fill them up according to label or just use them as the containers for another smaller gift. It's always fun tearing into wrapping paper to get a gift out, but I'm a big fan for more economical wrapping or dual purpose. So you could use a towel or a blanket or a shirt. Reusable bags are nice, scarves, or pillowcases, as they can all be used again in the van for storage or organization. The second thing that's always nice in van life is a pair of slippers, or if you want to take it a step further, you can go a whole pajama set. Van floors can get pretty chilly depending on your insulation setup, so it's kind of nice to have a little extra something to have on your feet for those cold mornings. The third thing is a personalized coffee mug or water bottle. Metal is probably best, or plastic. Try to avoid glass or ceramic, as those things don't generally do so well in the vans. A water bottle is a pretty safe bet, or if you know a coffee enthusiast, then a coffee cup might be a good idea. Alright, now on to the winners of the contest. There were so many good ideas, and I would have liked to do all of them, so maybe we'll do this again sometime. Thank you all for watching and commenting and being awesome and supportive as usual. I picked 2 winners to make and send things to, and they are Sarah Rose and Big Rob Fan. So Sarah and Rob, I'm gonna need your guys' addresses so that I can send you your goodies. Sarah said she would like a Christmas wreath made from Lucky Cans, which I've never heard of before, and I love that idea. So I cut open a bunch of Lucky Cans and cut leaf shapes out of them. Then I used the end of a paintbrush to emboss the cutouts and kind of give them veins. I drew a circle onto a non-stick mat and started gluing the leaves in place. And when everything was looking very wreath-shaped, I added a few finishing touches. But it's friggin' sharp and pokey, so Sarah, be careful when you get this in the mail. Rob said he'd like a Get Her Better hat to help inspire him to complete his van build. For that, I just took a hat blank and some iron-on vinyl. I don't have a hat press, so I make do with a ceramic bowl just to give the round shape and something hard to press against. That sounds dirty. Give it a little bit of backing when I iron the vinyl onto the hat. So Rob, hopefully this inspires you and you can make a little more progress on your build. I will get these things and a couple other overdue things in the mail as soon as possible, and hopefully they make it before Christmas. So thanks again, congratulations Sarah and Rob, and I can't wait to see the videos you guys make featuring these items.